Oh my, this bread buns recipe came out so yummy than I expected with just few ingredients. I'm sure you want to know all the secrets and all the recipes that I use in making this recipe. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And guess what? It is also commercial recipe. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you measure your flour accurately. So I love using my digital scale if I want to measure for my commercial recipe so that I'm going to get a perfect measurement. Then I measured my flour. The full recipe will be in the description section or in the comment section. And then your sugar, then your baking powder and your yeast, about 1 teaspoon each, and of course your margarine. I also measured that with my scale. And milk flavor, natural milk flavor is very important in this recipe, and we are using water, chilled water for that matter. So after mixing it, make sure that you incorporate everything together and make it into a dough. Remember, this is bread buns, so you want to exert some energy to make your dough, and make sure the dough is smooth and well kneaded. After that, you go ahead to press. Make sure you work with as little flour as possible, and then you press it. You need a little bit, and then press your dough. After pressing, make sure it is smooth and cut into your desired shape. So this bread buns recipe is with yeast because it's a commercial recipe. And what you have to do is, after making your dough, you begin your process immediately. Do not allow it to rise. Remember, we are making bread buns and not donuts or puff puff, so you have to process it immediately using chilled water. So that's another reason for using very chilled water, so that the yeast will not have time to begin performing its function before you start processing. So after pressing, the next thing is for you to cut. So make sure that you cut it and make it equal as much as you can. And after cutting it in this side, I decided that okay, I'm going to cut it again into 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this moment, don't forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe. So for the second one, bread bun, so I press it again using my rolling pin, and then I cut. So I was able to make about 21 pieces from this. This is what a business you can go into using margarine. You know, oil is very expensive now, so let us just save our vegetable oil for the frying. So this oil is very hot, so if your oil is too hot, just place it down and put in the rest of the dough. Make sure that your bread buns fries very well and it is not half done. Yeah, so measure it, know the quantity. And you have some that their sizes are not very equal, so you know how you divide the prices if you want to sell them. After making, it was yummy, it was delicious, like it was so delicious. And after that, I packaged for sale. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.